In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your GMOD mods, all your GMOD items, okay? So the first thing you need to do is open your Steam and log into your account, the account that you have GMOD. After you do that, you click on your game list, Garry's mod, and click right here on Workshop, okay? So you will come to this page right here, and after you do that, you'll drag your mouse into Browse, okay? On the second option right here, and click on the far option Subscribed Items, okay? So in the last option, and here you will see all the mods that you have on your Gmod. To unsubscribe of them, you need to click on this option right here, unsubscribe from all, okay? After clicking on this button and it comes from your action, you will delete all your Gmod mods. I hope I help you on how to delete all Gmod mods, so if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.